In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize pie chart slice colors in Looker Studio. So whether you're trying to create a more visually engaging presentation or just want your data to stand out, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to take to tailor your pie charts to perfection. Let's get started by opening your report in edit mode. This is the foundational step, because being in edit mode gives us the freedom to modify and customize our charts. Once you're there, look for the pie chart you wish to style. Click on it to select it. This is a crucial step because once a chart is selected, Looker Studio allows you to see its editing options. Next, you'll want to locate the sidebar that appears on the right. Here, switch to the Style tab. This tab provides a host of options allowing you to change the aesthetic features of your chart, including its colors. Once you're in the Style tab, scroll down until you see the section labeled Color By. This is where the magic happens. Looker Studio is quite versatile when it comes to colors, offering you 3 distinct options to experiment with. The first choice is a single color option. This method applies one hue across all your pie chart slices, but in varying shades. It's a great way to keep the chart uniform while maintaining distinction between slices through shades. The second option is called Slice Order. This approach assigns colors based on the ranking of the slices. What this means is that the first slice in your data will take on color number 1, the second slice will take on color number 2, and so on. This option seamlessly aligns your color scheme to your data's order. The third and final option is to color by dimension values. This is incredibly useful for providing consistent labeling. For example, if you have categories labeled as new, they can always be highlighted in blue, while returning could be consistently marked red. It helps in maintaining a themed color scheme across your report with specific dimension categories. Once you've made your decision on which color mode to proceed with, let's move on to the specifics of choosing the actual colors. For each slice or series, there's a little color box. Click on it. This will allow you to select or even customize shades of your preference. You'll see colored swatches appear in order. This intuitive setup lets you preview and adjust easily. Just a click, and the color changes to your liking. By following these steps, you'll be able to personalize and breathe life into your pie charts with ease. Customizing colors not only enhances the aesthetics, but also improves the clarity of your data representation, making it more digestible and appealing to your audience. Enjoy creating those stunning visuals with Looker Studio.